Hey, have you ever wished that you had a beverage center in your house with a wet bar, a fridge, a spot where you can make cocktails when you entertain, but you think, I don't have any room for that, or it's way too expensive? Stop right there. I've got a solution I'm so excited to show you. Hey, welcome to Around the House with Scott, where each week I bring you tips, tricks, and hacks of how you can live better inside, outside, and around the house. And if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button below. But let's get started. First of all, many of you know I'm a realtor, and I get to see hundreds of homes a year. I'm in my house, the house right now for my good clients, Gail and Dennis. We're getting ready to go on the market. And I'm in the family room, and they've ingeniously created a beverage center out of an unused spot in the family room. Let's take a look at it right now. So basically, we've got here this ingenious space. I've already measured it. It's 9 feet long by about 2 feet deep. It was just a little niche in here, and I think maybe at some point they had a couple chairs, maybe an ottoman or something here, maybe a bookshelf, but it wasn't really an integral part of the space. And when they did the remodel of their kitchen, they had their contractor create this great space. Let's take a look at it now, item by item. We've got wine storage, which is critical for a beverage center. Wet bar, buffet, so many different options. Anyway, but we do have our beverage fridge here. They've chosen one that's got the pull-out shelves for your wine, etc. And you can even put your canned goods in there. They've got plenty of cupboard storage down here, drawers up here for cutlery, utensils, napkins, whatever. A nice long run here where, again, talking about buffet, this is a multi-use space. We could lay food out here when we've got company coming over. Then as we come down this way, we've got the area where we can have the wet bar. There's a deep sink with a faucet. They've even got some of their favorite Tito's handmade vodka out here ready to roll for a nice vodka rocks. And a cupboard for more cocktail glass and everything storage. And again, more storage underneath. Recapping, this is only 9 feet long by 2 feet deep. And I think they've covered all the ground to create an awesome beverage center. And I just challenge you, where in your home could you find some space that you might be able to reconfigure and do this? I don't think any construction is required at all to demo. So again, think outside the box, look around the home. I hope this has helped you figure out a space in your house that you could create a terrific beverage center. Again, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button below, and register any of your comments or questions. I really want to help you live better inside, outside, and around the house. Thanks for watching.